y'all, Kristen here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in minimalism, simplifying, and healthy living, then stick around. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to clean flat surfaces and how to keep flat surfaces clean. Now, no judgment, but this is how my kitchen table looks right now. It's a little messy, a little cluttered. And I'm going to show you and give you some tips on how I keep my kitchen table clean on a daily basis and how I manage the clutter. Honestly, if you're looking at a cluttered space and you're feeling overwhelmed, take a deep breath and focus on the garbage and only the garbage, the trash. So wrappers, papers, things like that that can be thrown away that you don't even have to sort through. You just grab and chuck. So I'm going to do that now. I think I just have about one piece of paper that needs to be thrown away. So I'm going to do that now. See, that process was pretty easy, depending what space you're looking at, but that wasn't too difficult for me. And then the next step is to simply find a box and label it put somewhere else. So these are all of the items that don't belong in my kitchen that somehow I left here on the kitchen table and didn't put in the correct room and didn't take the few extra seconds it took to bring it to my bathroom, my bedroom, etc. So I'm gonna do that now. If you all wanna come with me and do this with me, you are absolutely welcome to do that. I'm gonna label it put elsewhere or put in another room. Yes, I am left-handed and my handwriting is a little sloppy, but anyway, put elsewhere. So now I'm gonna put everything that doesn't belong in my kitchen in this box. So the books, my car keys, these papers, the mist, this candle, my AirPods. Otherwise, so now I have everything in this box, and what I'm left with is my kitchen towel, a banana, a cup, a coaster. Actually, this coaster doesn't belong in here. My teapot, which does belong in my kitchen, my water bottle, and this little dish. So all of this stuff belongs in my kitchen. So next step is put everything in your kitchen that belongs in this room from the table away. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, so now that I have that done, that step is complete. I'm feeling motivated, feeling good. I got quite a bit done, honestly, in a short amount of time. Then I'm gonna take this elsewhere box and I'm gonna section it off room by room and put stuff in there that belongs there. So I'm gonna do that now. Most of this stuff belongs in my living room, so it shouldn't take me too long. So yeah, come along with me as I put some things away that belong in my living room. So I have this entire elsewhere box put away and empty. Woohoo! So I have all that done. So now all that's left is to wipe down my kitchen table. So I'm gonna do that right now. So there you have it. So what seemed like a really overwhelming task that I had to talk myself into was actually not that bad, right? And I understand your space could be a little bit more overwhelming, but break it down step by step like I did. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, Kristen, that's well and good, but I just can't keep it clean. It attracts clutter. All flat surfaces attract clutter. And the truth is, it's true. All flat surfaces do attract clutter. And as humans, we are often tempted to throw things, right, on that flat surface. One pro tip is simply to take the time, the few seconds it takes, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, less than a minute, to put things in the place they belong. Because the truth is, I wouldn't have had to have cleaned off my kitchen table if I had taken the time throughout the day to just put these things away. If you don't let that clutter build up, you don't have to put in the extra effort and work to clean it or declutter that flat surface because it'll stay clean. I hope this was helpful and that you cleaned off a flat surface with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Every like, every thumbs up helps me out so much. So thanks so much. Have a beautiful day, and I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, it's a beautiful day to simplify.